Hey guys, it's Jordan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this pretty half-up fishtail bun combo. Start off by taking a section of hair from the top of the head and securing it into a ponytail with a clear baby elastic. Divide the ponytail into two and then we're going to start a fishtail braid. So to do that, take a small section of hair from the outside of the left piece and cross it over and add it into the inside of the right piece. Then take a small section of hair from the outside of the right piece and cross it over and add it into the inside of the left piece. Then just repeat those steps all the way down to the ends of the hair. Every so often, I like to go back and carefully pull on the edges of the fishtail to give it some more volume. If the braid starts to get too long, you can carefully pull it to one side and continue there. At the end of the hair, secure the braid with a clear baby elastic. To make the bun, carefully fold the fishtail up to cover the elastic. Secure the bun in place with some bobby pins. Take the end of the fishtail and drape it back across the top of the bun and tuck the ends underneath. And then go back and carefully pull on the layer underneath to give it more of a bun shape. Take a section of hair from right beside the bun and then we're going to start another fishtail braid. So again, just take a small piece of hair from the left side and cross it over and add it into the inside of the right side, and then take a small piece from the right side and cross it over and add it into the left side. Once you reach the end of the hair, secure the braid with a clear baby elastic. And then repeat on the other side of the bun. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you recreate this hairstyle, make sure to tag me in your photos at Braids by Jordan on Instagram or Twitter. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!